Today I want to show you how to search things on Google Trends. Now with coronavirus and so many businesses adapting to the new situation with lockdowns, with so much disruption, Google Trends is a great tool for you to use in order to find what people are looking for. So first we started, this is the home page. You click here, you can choose which country you want to look results for. So in that case, I want to look results for the United Kingdom. Okay, so here you have some kind of suggestions like Taylor Swift versus Kim Kardashian, World Cup, football, American football. And here you have a section which is new, which Google launched recently since the outbreak of the virus. So here you can find out what actually people are looking for when related to coronavirus specifically. So here I have still the UK selected. So on this page, as you can see, it's specifically designed for these trends. So here I can find out what are the main questions people are asking themselves. Are taxis still running? How long does it take for coronavirus to show? When will the coronavirus stop? Also trending questions. So the difference is like how-to questions. So here they have a good section which you can use, especially when you're writing content, creating videos, so thinking of what you could design as content for your website. Here you can see actually which are the countries where there is a big rise in the searches about coronavirus. So here you can sort it by region or by city. So if you sort it by city, you can see that actually in Africa right now there seems to be a lot of interest. Like I guess a lot of countries now are interested in whether this is going to spread over there. Here in the UK you can see regional, which cities are bringing kind of the biggest amount of new searches. And also you find out other trends, or like how to make different things. Like now it's Easter coming, so there is a lot of how-tos about palm cross, how to make masks, how to make a face mask, how to draw a chick. This is again related to Easter. And here are the overall trends about coronavirus in the UK. So here also you can see the search interest, so you can compare that to past years. This was pretty much non-existent. About face masks, there was a slight spike at the end of around face masks recently, but you can see that it suddenly spiked, and now there is another outbreak of searches which is declining now. And here are some trending queries around what people are really looking for. What's the symbol? Apparently there is a symbol. There's a big rising one. So you can sort this by raising, which means that these are queries that are jumping in interest. There's a lot of recent interest in the last few hours or few days. And then you can sort them by top. So the top ones obviously are some very common searches which you would expect to see. But these ones are very interesting because they show you very recent trends, and you can easily check what kind of other things people are looking for. So there was some news about a tiger with coronavirus, so the people are searching 5G and coronavirus. There is conspiracy about whether 5G is causing immune system problems. So here you can find out a lot of interesting things. At the homepage of Google Trends, I'm going to quickly show you how to find different trends and actually detect trends which can be important for you. So here is something interesting. You can choose a topic. So let's say restaurants, right? And you can choose either ready kind of packaged brands or searches, or you can choose just a search term. In this case, I'm going to choose a search term because I want to see all the trends about restaurants, not only about specific chains or names of restaurants, right? Okay, So here I can choose the country. So here I can select United Kingdom. Here I can select, let's say, past 90 days. So I can see that there is a very steep decline. And what I can do now is I can compare this to, let's say, food delivery. Right? And again, I search not the topic, because if you compare topic to a search term, you will get funky results. Like the topics are much more generic, I would say. They are a little bit more specific. You would always have to compare topic versus topic, not search term versus topic, in order to get good results. So in this case, I'm going to choose search term again. And here you go, there is the trend. While the restaurants searches are declining, the food delivery searches are absolutely spiking compared to anything in the past. And you can change this to a longer period, so let's say 12 months. And here you can see that this is absolutely dramatic. There's never been such interest in food delivery compared to anything in the last year. So here you go. This is how you can actually understand interest and trends. Here on the bottom you can see how it looks across the different regions in the UK, Scotland, England, Wales, Northern Ireland. Here is one of my favorite ones. These are rising topics, which you can find out actually things that are recently being searched, and there's been recent spikes in interest in this kind of topics. So are restaurants open today? Lebanese restaurants, restaurants at Warwick, dog-friendly restaurants. So all kind of strange things that people are looking. And when it comes to food delivery, you can find out what actually it's mostly about supermarket and groceries deliveries. So you can find this, or you can sort them by top, and you can find also kind of more expected, the highest volume type of searches. And you can use this both for generating content, thinking about optimizing your website, optimizing your advertisements. If you're, let's say, now a restaurant and you're offering food delivery, what people are looking for, finding ideas about keywords and advertising. If you want to find more about how to advertise on Google, you can follow me, subscribe to the channel. There is a lot of information. You can check my whole playlist about advertising on Google. There are some more advanced things, and there are some very, very basic things. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll post a new video very, very soon.